Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I will show you how to download AliExpress videos from any product and also how to upload the video on your laptop or computer. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open the AliExpress website. Then for example I will show you and I will give you a simple method to download any video product on AliExpress. If you want to use it, for example, dropshipping, or you want to create your own store, or then guys, for example, I will choose this video. Then I will give you a simple and easy method to download the video of this product. For example, the product is branded solo loop for Apple Watch brand. Then I want to download the video. First guys, click on the right click on this video, then scroll down to inspect on the bottom, then hit on inspect. Then guys, go directly on the right side. After this image will appear, then go directly to this one, dive class video. Then click on this arrow, dive class video. As you see guys, after you clicking the right dive, go directly to this link, the video. As you see guys, the link of the video. Then guys, again on the right click and click on open in a new tab, then hit on open a new tab. As you see guys, this is the video of your product. Then if you want to download the video, just go directly to these three dots on the bottom on the right, then hit on this three dot, then click on download. As you see guys, your video was downloaded successfully. Then again double click. Now your video was downloaded successfully with no issue and no copyright. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.